Good morning, good morning, good morning. Y'all know who it is. I know it's been a while since I posted a video. It's your boy CJ, your home improvement homeboy. And today is install day, so y'all already know what time it is. We're doing this design right here today, and I'm flying solo because my partner just had some surgery, so y'all keep bringing your prayers for her speedy recovery, but still got to get it done. So let's do it. So the design that I showed you requires a lot of work beforehand to actually build the template. So as you can see, we built a lot of boxes. Some of them we pocket hold together, and some of them we nailed together. Just to show you guys, these are nailed and glued. Both methods are very strong. I just wanted to be able to show you guys two ways to actually put it together. Sorry I didn't do an actual tutorial on how to cut and assemble the boxes, but it's pretty standard. If you guys want a tutorial, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll show you what goes into building these before they go on the install. But all right, good morning. So I am here on site, and this is the wall that we will be doing. The client wants the top half of this wall to have that design that I showed you guys earlier. So I'm getting all my tools unloaded and all the supplies, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, so of course we got to tape up. Thankfully, this wall, same color as the bottom, so we don't have to do too much taping up, which makes our process go a little faster. But we still do gotta tape up where the wall meets the other wall. I like to use sharp line multi-use tape. I'm still at odds about whether I want to paint the whole wall first and then start installing the design, but I did paint enough of it to go ahead and start nailing up the first few pieces. The goal is to get it done as efficiently as possible, so it's one of the things you kind of got to gauge and determine, is this way faster or is this way faster? And of course, in my haste to get here this morning, I left my bigger roller, so I am rolling this entire wall with the smallest roller known, and I'll probably go out a little later and grab a big one from the store. But now, this is what I got. So yeah, as far as efficiency goes, probably not the most efficient way to get that. Got the first column done. It takes a little bit of work, as you can see, but even with the template being pre-cut, But as always, you can never fully predict how the design's gonna come out without building it on site. So I do have a little area up here to account for, but I will put something there. All right, just a little progress. Tried to do this in as less nail holes as possible, but of course you cannot account for drywall. So as you see, I have a lot to fill, but it'll go relatively quick. So I finally made it over to the outlet, and the piece that I needed to put there was just a little bit too far over. So I probably should have recorded this part of it to show you guys, but all I did was use just a standard chisel, and I gotta clean that rust off of there. They got wet on the back of my truck. But yeah, I just marked it, chiseled it out, and let's see how it fits. Boom. Darn near perfect fit. It's coming. It's coming. I'm almost done. It's a total of 12 columns, and I'm at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm on the 10th one. So, all right. But as y'all can see, yeah, just trying to finish up this painting. Trying to throw a first coat. So instead of just doing it all at once, I decided to do it as I go. Oh, I got some paint on my lip. But yeah, seems to be working out better time-wise. So throw that first coat on, and then after I caulk and fill everything, and I come back and I actually do the final coat, and that's when you get to see it all come together. Luckily, it's flat paint, so flat paint always dries smooth. So, all right, guys, I'm excited to see the finished product, and I know you guys are too. wall, and it took me a couple hours. I was here at 9. It's about 2 now, so even with it all pre-cut, it still takes time to do a wall this big. But now it's time to fill in these holes and sand it so that we can get a nice, clean, smooth look. So today I'm using dry deck spackling. You can use spackling, you can use wood filler, anything to get those gaps sealed up. Whatever works. This working pretty good. I just finished filling all the gaps and all the nail holes, so now I gotta sand it. It's starting to get a little late. I'm gonna try to do what I can now, but I may have to pick back up on this tomorrow, so you guys stay tuned for part 2.